Hello everyone, welcome back to our course. In the last class, we studied the two terms which are functions and modules. So we studied what the functions are. These are nothing but the collection of some lines of statements or some lines of code which intend to perform a particular task. Right? We saw a few examples of how functions work, what functions look like. Right? And along with it, we studied what modules are. Modules are nothing but collection of various functions. Very basic example is a module math. Now these modules, these can either be user defined modules or these can be built-in modules. In today's class, we will study what these built-in modules are. These are similar to what we have in Python, which are built-in functions, right? So built-in functions, you do not need to define what these functions will do. These have automatically been there in Python since long. Similarly, if we talk about the built-in modules, we have many built-in modules which are available in Python. We'll study a few which are very important and used quite a lot many times. Let's see what we have for today's class. So if you can see on this screen, I have these popular 4 built-in modules which are available in Python. So what these modules are, the number one module is a math module. What it does, it will perform the basic mathematical calculation or the functions inside any Python program. Then random module, what it does, it generates the random numbers. If you want to generate any random number ranging between 1 to 10, you can use this random module, right? Next, we have a date time module which manipulates dates and times. If you want to print date and time, you can use this date time module. Next, we have OS module, operating system. So as the name itself suggests, it will help us in interacting with our operating system. How do we use these modules? Now let us see. Now if you see this math module, I would like to show you, since I am telling you that module, any module, it consists of various functions. Now talking about the first module, which is math module, let us see what do we have. Now yes, so these are the various functions. How do you know these are the functions? How do you write it? You start off with the name of the module. You start with the name of the module and then you put a full stop, you put a dot, and then you write the name of the function. And inside these parentheses, you just simply pass the parameter, whatever you want to deal with, right? Then you have the combination. If you want to find the combination of any items, right? You can use the comb function inside the method, inside the math module, right? Similarly, you can find the absolute value, you can find the factorial value, the floor value, the mod value. I mean, we have so many functions. Now you know how easy it is to work with the Python. If you want to find the factorial, you need not write the complete code. If you know, you must have studied, or even if you have not studied, let me tell you, if you want to find the factorial, you have this big program. How do you find the fact of a number? But our Python, since it's student friendly and it does not scare the beginners away, so it has provided us with so many functions and so many built-in modules, right? Now let me show you how do you do it. This is one sample file which I have. Now inside it, I will simply write the keyword import. So what this import does, it will import any, or it will help us use any particular module which is available to us. For example, since we are dealing with math module, I will write import math, and then if I want to print math dot factorial, and I want to print factorial of number 5. Now let us see if it really works. Python, let me save this file first of all. Okay, here we are, it has printed the factorial of 5. How about if I want to find the square root? See, these are the functions which are available inside our math module. You can use any function if you want, right? So for now I will use the square root function. You want to find the square root of 25, which is pretty simple. Now let us see if it responds well. Yes, it does. So now you know how easy it is to work with the modules, how easy it is to work in Python. Now let us see another module, which is date time module, right? I will erase all of this. I will write date time. All right. So now let us print. Let us see what functions do we have in date time. Date time dot. Okay, now let's see what do we have. Time delta, time zone, not exactly this. Okay, so we'll see it online. What functions do we have? Date time module in Python. Let us see. Okay, so you can open any link which you want. Let me show you. And date time module, it exposes the following constants, and this is just the constant that we are dealing with. Yes, t zone, time zone information. If you want to find out what information do we have, date time module. Alright, so if you want to print anything which is available in date time module, how do you do it? Let me show you. Dot date time dot now. Now what it will exactly do, it will construct a date time from time dot time and optional time zone information. Now let us see what it will do for us. Sorry, I have not saved the file. Okay, so what it has done, it has printed what is the time at present now on my system. On my system, this is the date, and this is what it has printed. So now we know we can inside the module we can take care of various functions and we can deal with those functions, right? Also I have other two modules which are random and operating system module, which is OS module. You can try on your own how to deal with this. Let us see. If you want to import a random, right, and inside random what you have, random dot what do you want to print, random dot rand rate, and just put the range 1,10 and yes, just save the file. Okay, so it will print the random integers between 1 to 10. If you print it again, 2, 2, 7, 2, 2, 4. So what it is basically doing is just printing the random numbers. So I do have one program. I have one very interesting game in the coming class. I'll show you how this random module will be very helpful to deal with the game. Okay, so that's it for today's class. I hope you enjoyed this very small concept of built-in modules, and now I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.